Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's video is this card. This is my July orders card club kit that those who placed orders with me in the month of July will be receiving this kit in the mail. I thought it would be apropos to do a little Christmas in July. So I dug into my stash and found some Christmas paper. I used the shaker window and confetti circle die to cut the big piece of Harbor glitter paper. I also used some red shimmer trim. I think in the new catalog, the reds, it's called Scarlet. Basically the same thing. I have my black ink and Harbor ink. This green paper is so old, I can't remember what it is. It was one little lonely piece in my stash and I thought I would use it up. One of the new stamp sets that is in our new core catalog is this background elements, and so I'm using this little spotty guy here. I've got him mounted on a block, and I thought it would be fun to use the little cup here because I love this little cup. This is the Desserts a la Whirl Stamp and Thin Cut Set. Z3957 is the number. It is still available, so you can still get this. Then here is the dregs of my Christmas paper. This was called Holly and Ivy, and I thought the colors were so beautiful, and this is all I have left. So I'm sharing it with my peeps who order from me. So here's the card kit. You'll receive, there will be an envelope, a card base, and a piece of that mystery green. Then you can use either side of the Holly and Ivy paper that I put in there. Got two little cups, Harbor glitter paper circle, isn't that pretty? And then I did a little heart, and I am using my little Stampin' Up! Heart punch because it's just too cute, too fun, and too fast. I also include a strip of the red glitter trim, shimmer trim, and I always leave a little tag on there, so maybe you can see that. Let's see if we can make it appear. You get something under it you can see. There's just a little piece that hangs off the edge to make it easy to grab and get that backing off of there. And let's get going. The first thing we need to do is do our background stamping on here. Got the Harbor ink and my little dots, and I am just gonna randomly stamp on here, and I'm gonna have to pause because here comes my husband. And I'm back. Sorry about that. My husband came in and, well, we don't want to hear his conversation. I'm going to take my tape runner and affix this. This goes toward the folded edge here. And for whatever reason, it is a little shy. It might be on yours too. We'll just trim that up a little bit. On this one, I think I'm gonna put the red paper up with the little Christmassy words. I did not stamp anything on the inside because I just didn't think it needed it. I'm going to trim this off a little bit, so I'm just gonna open it all the way up, stick it under here, and see where that green paper is. Make sure I've got it butted up against there, and just do a little slice. If it doesn't seem like enough, which it doesn't, I can scoot it up and do it again. And there, that looks a little better. You may have to do a little trimming. It happens for whatever reason. Sometimes it's just not quite right. So now that we've got these two papers, again, I'm going to use my little flag end there so I can remove that backer and just put it over the top of that seam. That way, if your seams doesn't line up the way you like it, that covers all of that mismatching. Ask me how I know. Okay, now we've got our cute little circle here. Anyway, I did not do any stamping on the inside of this. I didn't even stamp anything on the outside because I think that you could use this for more than just a Christmas card. I think it would be really easy to use for a thank you card, or thinking of you, or maybe somebody has a birthday around Christmas time. I think you could put a happy birthday in there too and it would work just fine. I'm just going to kind of tip this one a little bit to one side and get it up near the edge while still leaving some of that pretty glitterness to stick out. Then this one, I am going to do a little bit of some 3D tape. That is up to you. I do recommend glue or foam tape when attaching to that glitter paper. That seems to work the best for me. Regular tape runner, for whatever reason, fails me miserably every time I try it. And this one I'm going to tip it the other way. And then I've got the little heart, and I'm just going to put a little dab of glue in the middle there and stick my little glittery heart in there. And that's it. So fun and cute. And again, I think you could use it for thank you. I think you could use it for thinking of you. I think you could use it for happy birthday or Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for your orders in July. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.